Have you ever sat in completely silent place, but suddenly started hearing a strange buzzing sound? A faint whisper, incomprehensible murmurs, or even a rhythmic pulse in your ears? If the place is completely silent, why do we hear these sounds? Is it just our brain trying to fill the void, or is someone else happening? Scientists believe that this phenomenon could be due to brain itself or the inner ear continuously picking up invisible signals. But some people think there might be more to it than just scientific explanations. Do you think this is just a natural phenomenon? Or is there an undisclosed mystery behind it?